So if you're looking to get the transcription from a YouTube video automatically, then you're at the right place. Hey guys, my name is Sorab and this channel is all about AI automations where I create different videos on AI automations to help you grow your business. So in this video, I'll be telling you how you can use a no-code tool called Make.com and Transcriptor, which is a service to transcribe different videos, and how you can integrate both of them and get the required transcription. And then later on, you can use that transcription to create a social media post, blog post, or whatever you want to do with that. For that, I'll be creating separate videos, but for this video, let me show you how you can get the transcription automatically. So this is how the entire flow is going to be. I have connected my YouTube channel to begin with. So this automation is going to pick up a particular video from my channel. It's going to send the request to Transcriptor, where here I have used the API keys for Transcriptor. It's going to transcribe the URL. It's going to extract the order ID, and order ID is basically the variable which is used within Transcriptor for a particular transcription. Then we are going to store that ID in a variable, and then we're gonna give it 60 seconds for it to run, and then we are going to get a transcription again using the API call, and then we're going to transfer that to a Google Sheet. So this is the entire flow, and now let's build this automation together. So the very first thing is you need to sign up to a free account on make.com. The link for that will be in the description down below. And there are plenty of videos on my channel that will give you the basics of make.com. You can check this playlist over here. And once you're logged in, you need to go and click on create a new scenario. And over here, we are going to search for the YouTube module. And what we're looking for is the watch videos in a channel. So here you need to click on add, and you need to connect your YouTube account. So I'll just say old YouTube channel, and then you need to click on sign in with Google. You need to sign into your account and then select your channel, and then it's going to verify it. For past few days I'm seeing this error message, but let me tell you how you can get past this error message. Just need to click on OK after adding the channel, and then what you can do is you can click on choose manually, and it's going to pull out down the list, so you can see that if your video is there here or not. These are not my videos, so what I'll do, I click OK, or I'll just exit out, and then I reopen it again. And then in this channel ID field, I need to enter me, because it says if me is provided, shows the videos from your YouTube account only. And rest we don't have to enter the publish before date, publish after date, the limit. It can be 2 videos it's going to pull, so that's fine, just leave it and then click OK. And now let's run this module and see. So you need to right click on it and click on run this module only. It's always good to test the automation. So yeah, it has given the channel title this. So yeah, it has pulled. Let me just see. Choose where to start, choose manually, and yeah, so yeah, these are the videos on my channel. All right, so we are done with the first step. Next, what we have to do is we need to uh, use an API for the service called Transcriptor. So this is the Transcriptor. Again, the link for this will be in the description down below. They have got a free plan as well as paid plans, but if you uh, want to transcribe few videos, then yeah, the free plan should be fine. And they have got different APIs for that. Let me show you the APIs. So yeah, these are the API documentation for Transcriptor. So you've got all these API calls and how you need to use this API. So everything is here. So what you have to do, you need to click on add a module and do HTTP. You need to do make a request, and here you need to put the URL. So now at this stage, what we are doing, we are transcribing the URL. So we got the transcribe URL. So this is the URL which we are going to use, because this is what is given in the API documentation to transcribe. So I'll use this one. And then we have to add a few headers, because you can see it has given us some headers in the documentation. So we'll add these headers here. So the first one is going to be authorization. Okay. And here you have to be careful with the syntax, what it's going to do. So we'll just use this syntax bearer, and then the API key for make. So for and the API key for transcriptor. So let me get the API key, and I can go into my account, and this is my API key for transcriptor, and then I paste it over here. And then we have to add the second header, which is the content type. Let's copy this and put it here, and then we put the application / JSON, and then we have one more header, which is accept. I'll just copy and paste here. And then we don't have to do anything in the query string. And then in the body type, we have to use raw, and the content type will be JSON application. And here we are going to put this URL, this particular code. Okay, let's just clean it up a little bit. Okay, we don't need this. Okay, so now just look at carefully. So what we are passing is, we are passing a URL. The service is standard, the language is English US, and here, we need to get the URL from the previous module. So what we are going to do is, instead of this particular video ID, we will remove this, and we'll map this video ID. So whatever video ID it's going to be passed from the previous module, it's going to pick that up. And then we have to click on yes for parse response, and then we click on OK. And next we have to add a parser, text parser, and here we need to choose match pattern, and here we just copy this one. So basically it's going to fetch the order ID from here, and then we click on global match yes, and rest under text we're going to get the data from here, and then we click OK. Now let's run this. Let's just choose a video of mine. Okay, and now let's run this. Okay, we have got an error. Let's see what it says. Message not found. All right, I know what is the problem here. If you look at it here, we need to use the method as post instead of get. Let's try it again. Choose where to start. Coach, run. Yeah, now it has run this. So yeah, this is the ID, the order ID, which has come up. And now what we are going to do is we're going to capture this ID. So we are going to add a variable. So we'll do tools set variable, and here we'll just put order ID, and we'll get this in the variable value. This is the value here. Let's run this. Yeah, it's going to give us an order ID. So next we need to allow some time for this to run. So we'll add another sleep uh, module, and we'll let it sleep for 60 seconds. This will allow the transcription to run in the back end, and then we need to get that transcription again. So we'll do HTTP make a request, and here we will add the URL for retrieving the result. Yeah, this is the URL. And what we'll also do is we'll also add the order ID at the end. So we'll do this question mark order underscore ID equal to, and then we are going to get the order ID from the variable here, and then we have to add the content type, the header again. Let me just copy it. Accept application JSON, and yeah, parse response should be yes. Okay, and now let's run this again. Choose where to start, choose manually. See, you can do it automatically as well to run this, but I'm just picking up the video which I want, a short video, and then I click on run once. So it is running. It has given the transcription. We got the order ID. Now it's sleeping for 60 seconds. I'll just pause the video here. All right, so it took me a couple of tries, but now I've got the transcription here. You can see, yeah, this is the transcription. Okay, I can stop this one. I don't want it to run another time. Okay, and then we need to add a Google Sheet, add a row, and you need to connect your Google Sheet account here. You need to connect your Google account here, and then you need to select uh, the folder. You need to give a path to that sheet here. Okay, now you need to give the outputs here. The title will be this. You need to store this in the Google Sheet, and this is going to be the data, and then I click OK. Okay, let's run this, save the scenario, and run this again. Choose where to start, choose manually. Okay, I'll do this. All right, so the entire automation has run. Let me see. Yeah, this is the entry in the Google Sheet client coach success coach application, and this is the complete transcription. So guys, this is how with these tools, make.com and transcriptor, you can get these transcriptions automatically. And I hope you got some value out of this video. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments below. And please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in the next video.